so good.
Very good.
All right.
Yeah.
Nasa harap natin yung Rockefeller Center. Kung mahilig po kayo para sa inyo po itong milk bar.
Why is that the bus?
Good morning!
Oh.
Good morning! So, magbabas kami mula dito sa New Jersey. May bus dito na diretsyo na doon. Mas magandang magbus kasi mahirap po ang parking sa New York. Yan na yung bus na sasakyan natin. Mula dito, 40 minutes yung biyahe papuntang New York. So, first stop natin, Times Square. Bobot, say hi! Hi! That's Darren. Yun yung American Dream na mall. Yan. It's called American Dream. Malaking mall dito sa New Jersey. So ngayon nandito tayo nasa New York na tayo. Pupunta tayong Juniors, no? Doon tayo kakain ng lunch. We are here now at the Juniors. Isa to sa mga famous na restaurant dito sa New York, no? Mga napapanood ko na mga Pinoy na pumupunta dito sa New York, tinatry nila or kumakain sila dito sa Juniors. Ang recommendation kasi dito, pumunta ka ng morning. Kasi kapag pumunta ka dito ng lunchtime, like 12 noon onwards, sobrang haba ng pila. So sakto kami, 11:24 a.m.
Yes, kuya.
Medyo papuno na tong restaurant, no? Halos wala na ring bakante. So saktong-sakto yung dating natin. Tignan natin yung kape
Then
nila.
they have a bake shop, right? They have the restaurant and then they have separate bake shop.
Yeah, they have the bakery.
Right, bakery.
Oh, good. Okay yung kape nila.
Yeah. Meal.
This is a junior meal.
Meal. How big it is.
All right.
Wow.
There we go. All right. So the extra plate under.
Yes, yes.
There you go. You gotta enjoy it, okay?
Thank you.
Corned beef and matzo ball soup.
Oh, okay.
Looks so good.
Very good.
All right.
Yeah.
Try natin. Meron siyang kasamang dip. Try natin. Oh. Mamang sarap, no? It's really good. Sarap. I think this is grilled. Yep.
Grilled, yeah, grilled.
Grabe. Try nyo po ito pag pumunta kayo dito. Juniors dito sa New York. Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito. Pastrami Ruby.
Good thing we share because
Beef.
we cannot finish.
So isa lang in-order namin ni Mrs. Hati na kami, no? Kasi malaki, mabubusog ka na. Yan yung strawberry cheesecake, oh.
I think
Wow.
we should put the cake here.
Strawberry cheesecake. Brownie
Shake.
cake shake.
Cake shake.
Brownie cake shake. Is it good? Alright.
Big cake.
Brownie cheesecake. Good?
Yummy.
This is the strawberry cheesecake. Yan. Yan o.
Give Darren. Give Darren.
Masarap. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You let Darren taste.
Very good. Sarap. No wonder bestseller po nila. New York strawberry cheesecake. Sarap, mama. Sarap. Ha? Try natin yung brownie cheesecake, no? Kung ano yung mas masarap. Brownie cheesecake. Uy, masarap yun siya, ha? Baka ito lang kinain mo kanina.
Yung cheesecake mo sarap, pero yung brownie.
Try natin yung brownie, yung mismong taas niya, no? Yung cheesecake, wala akong masabi, masarap. Ito yung pinaka-brownie niya.
This one, the same lang, anak. The same lang. Brownie.
It's also good. Sarap din.
You left Darren siya. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. The cheesecakes are not sweet. They're
Yeah.
like good
Yeah.
flavor.
And the brownie too, right? The top brownie,
It's very rich.
yeah, rich but not sweet.
Yeah.
So ito pong pastrami Robin.
Robin Padilla.
May part siya na parang medyo salty na siguro medyo napunta doon yung salt ng ginawa nila yung sandwich. Pero overall masarap siya. I think it's 8/10. The cheesecake is 9/10. 8, no? Strawberry. Nag-cut lang ako. Good? Is it good? Oh, yummy, no?
Let me check if Juniors is only in New York.
Is Junior's only here in New York?
Well, I don't know. I've never been here, but I think so. Yeah.
Let me check.
He wants to use bidet.
Oh no.
We have a portable bidet here. Can you help him? You just help him wear the toilets.
What?
Sige na, help ka ni Tito Darren kung
Drink ka lang
saan.
niya doon. Drink ka lang niya.
You don't show it. Si Onyok daw po magbabanyo. Sobrang busog. So ito po yung bill namin para sa mga curious kung magkano kumain dito sa Juniors, no. So yung total natin is 121.45. At syempre dito po sa US, kailangan po natin magbigay ng tip, no. Ayan po yung suggested tip. So sabi ni Darren siya daw magbabayad. Thank you, Darren. treat daw niya. Si Darren po ay first cousin natin, no. Yan po, makikita niyo po yung pila, no. 12:30 na kasi. Ang haba na po ng pila. So mabuti na lang nakauna tayo kanina. Alright, so we're going to Times Square now. So malapit na siya dito. This is Times Square.
Yeah. This is it.
Oh yeah. Okay, 1, 2. One more, kuya. Wow, it's very nice.
Makes us want more. New York,
open.
Bobot, kayong dalawa ni Tito Darren.
Bobot!
Bobot! Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ah. Bobot! Here, here, here. Tayo. Bobot! Mga kakokok, pupunta tayo ng Rockefeller. Rockefeller. Ito yung ice skating rink kapag winter. So, kino-convert nila to sa ice skating rink. Kaso dahil hindi winter ngayon, ganyan po siya. Kung napanood nyo yung movie ni Sarah G at ni John Lloyd Cruz na It Takes a Man and a Woman, dito po yun sinut yung nag-ice skating sila. Ayan, tapos yung nasa harap natin, yung Rockefeller Center. Yung building na yan. And ito pong nasa kabila, yung NBC News. Let's go. Wow. Beautiful. Ganda. Pasok tayo. Beautiful church. Sorry. Punta tayo sa NBA store. Tignan natin baka may magustuhan tayong sombrero, no? Alright. Hi.
You guys looking for anything?
I'm hot.
Upstairs and downstairs have an elevator behind the big door.
Okay, thank you. Daming sombrero. I think I like this one. What do you think, Darren?
Yeah, that was nice.
Oh yeah. 758. And this one simple.
Nice.
Alright. Okay. So kunin natin tong dalawa. Yung size ko 758, medyo malaki yung ulo natin eh. At dito sa NBA store, pwede nilang i-curve yung hat para sa'yo sa shape ng head mo. Tapos, yun po ay 2 seconds lang magagawa nila. Pero pwede rin magpa-embroid yung magpalagay ng name, kaso 45 minutes ang waiting time eh. Hindi natin mahihintay yung ganong katagal. So okay na tayo sa pagpapa-curve. May additional lang $5 pag nagpa-curve ka. Alright?
Do you know what kind of curve you want? Do you want it like this one?
Yeah, like this.
A time rush, yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So
Do
yan,
you want to put your
ibibenta.
stickers back on?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Oh, that's nice.
New Jersey.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, I live in Jersey City.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're up by well, I'm up by like Hackensack, or that's where my family's from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's not too far. Do you guys have a YouTube channel? Okay, I'll follow you. I'll subscribe. Maybe I'll be in it. I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
That's cool. They have a mold.
Yeah, yeah.
But it will not uncurve unless you like re-steam it.
Okay. Okay, let me try.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I like it. The other one? So, yun the first one natin. Wow. Okay.
You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys have a bag?
Yeah, can you give me?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah, I like it.
And your other one?
I'm going to wear this. All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day!
Thank you so much.
Oh wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Onyok Kokok. I'm wearing it. Nasa loob tayo ng New York Public Library. Ayun o. Ayan, so ang daming tao, no? Kaya close yung second floor ng New York Public Library kasi nandito si King Charles. Abangan natin. Parang nakita ko na siya kanina eh. Parang nakita ko na siya kanina. Okay, let's go. So, papunta tayo ng Brooklyn Bridge. Magti-take tayo ng subway. Nasa subway tayo. Subway station. Nasa loob na tayo ng train. Subway. Grabe tong bridge na to. Wooden yung ano niya, yung sahig, yung floor. Wood. Bobot! Oh, go down, go down. Go down here. Go down, go down. Go down. Oh. Yan. Oh, picture. Oh, Bobot. Oh. Hey. Nasa New York City Hall na tayo. Galing tayo ng Brooklyn Bridge. Hindi na tayo pumasok dun sa bridge, no, kasi mahabang lakaran po yun. Nagpa-picture lang tayo, tapos alis na, balik na tayo. Sakay ulit tayo ng subway. At ang last stop natin, magmi-milk bar na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa milk bar dito sa New York. So, order tayo ng compost na cookie. Isa yun sa bestseller nila dito. Order tayo ng milk bar pie at saka sundae. Yun. Bestseller.
Yeah, so the best seller is going to be the cereal milk soft serve with the cornflake crunch.
Okay. I
One
get
of
that.
those?
Yeah. 3 cookie deal.
Yeah, and which cookies would you like?
Compost cookie. Milk bar pie.
A slice of the milk bar pie? Gotcha.
Yeah. Oh.
That's pretty good.
It's nice.
Try natin yung mga cookies nila. I think this is the compost cookie. Okay. Ito yung chocolate chunks nila na cookie. Chocolate chunks. Wait, 10 minutes there. Good? Good? The cookies are very sweet. Milk bar pie. Parang yema. Parang yema, no? Ito yung raspberry nila na sundae. Try natin. Mama, which one do you like?
The white one.
The white one, right? Okay. The raspberry is good. Yung sundae. Pero mas gusto ko tong white. Tapos yung cookies nila, lalo na yung yellow. Sobrang tamis. Yun yung yellow cake. Ito pong yellow. No? Sobrang tamis. Oh, yummy! Yummy? Ito yung vegan peanut butter nila na pie. No? Ayan, no? Try natin. Yeah, tastes like peanut butter.
Yeah.
Kung mahilig po kayo sa matamis, para sa inyo po itong milk bar. Itong sundae nila yung nagustuhan ko. Yung sundae. So itong anak ko, si Onyok, dahil mahilig to sa matamis, nagustuhan niya. You like it? Yan, so nagpabili pa siya ng milkshake. Ito yung ang flavor na in-order namin is birthday milkshake. Okay, I think that's it. After nitong milk bar, pauwi na tayo, pabalik na tayo. See you again.